free falling. Is it clear? Free falling can be there. Is it completely okay? So these are the three. तो यहाँ पे इनपुट है या ओनली आउटपुट है? हाँ, ओनली बाहर ही जा रहा है. So what is the ओनली output? In this reason, what is happening? Output. Getting it? And in the free phase, if I am talking about, this is clear, what is happening on the, समझ में आ गया? Yes. I said that free phase में only क्या होगा? Weathering. Only weathering. Yes. And it will be output only. It will be only output. Free phase will have output. Now if I ask you which mountain, which rock can have a free phase? Every rock cannot have a free phase, first point. Only the thing is that a rock is having strength and strong. Strong and strengthful rock can have free phase. If the softer rock will be there, they started becoming like this. Yes or not? Weather ho jayegi sleeping like this. Harder rock can have. So then another important output to hoga by weathering, but which rock? Which rock? Rock which is strong and having great strength. Understood? The rock which is strong and having high strength, that slope will have what? Free phase, and that will be no erosion, but what will be there? Weathering. Rainfall भी हो रहा है तो उस जगह पे water will be absorbed, so there will be hydration, there will be solution, hydrolysis. Yes, if the carbonates are there, carbonation. So there will be a chemical weathering can be there, and there can be a physical weathering. And physical weathering means, you know that I said, what is the physical weathering? Yes, physical weathering means आपको temperature and pressure let it to expand. You know that block disintegration, granular disintegration, and then exfoliation, salt crystal growth. Yes, frost wedging, sapping. These are the things I taught. So I said that free phase will have a weathering phenomena. Understood? So it is also only output. But in case of debris or rectilinear slope, it is an input. Where what is there? Input and output will be there. अब ये depend करता है कि input is more or output is more. It depends upon. If the river is moving, then the input is there, but at the same time output will be also there more. Yes or not? Somebody has to, what it is, a seat wash has to do. Is it clear? यहाँ पर क्या रहेगा? Input as well as output. लेकिन इसका output, इसकी output maximum depend करती है इस स्लोप पे. How? Tell me. Input तो कहां से आ रहा है? When the on the rectilinear slope and debris, जिसका नाम ही debris slope है, from where it is coming? From the concave and from the free face. They are coming from concave and free face, and they are depositing on it. Understood it? Completely okay? And then I said that यहाँ पर input भी है, output भी है, but their output, input depends upon this, but the output depends upon of debris slope. Yes, concave. Depends upon concave. आप सपोज करो कि ये आपका रॉक है, यस, और यहाँ एंड इस जगह से इतनी मिट्टी हट गई तो सडनली इट विल कम दिस साइड. यस और नॉट? यस और नॉट? So at debris slope, output depends upon the output of concave slope. Yes. If there is a more sheet was on the concave slope, then there will be a what? It will be like this. Getting my point? So I said that it is an यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा? There will be also input and output. But generally in this region is output is much high. Output is much high. By which sheet was? By which process? By which process? On the concave slope. On the concave slope, what will happen? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Sheet was. Is it clear? Understood it? Now, so which is the depositional feature? These are the depositional feature. These are the, yes, जो भी टूटेगा इसी में talus deposits took place. Yes, and सबसे ज़्यादा output कहाँ से होता है? ऊपर से दोनों केवल आउटपुट ही करते हैं. यस यू नो दैट. लेकिन नीचे का आउटपुट इफ इट इज एन कीप ऑन हैपनिंग, इट इज एन इनपुट एज वेल एज आउटपुट. इन दोनों रीजन में इनपुट एंड आउटपुट इज हैपनिंग. बट आउटपुट फ्रॉम द कॉन्केव, यहां से इफ आई हैव सेड दैट यहां से ये चीजें हटी तो ये सडनली ये हट गया और यहां का मिट्टी यहां पे आ जाएगा. यस नो, द रॉक स्टार्टेड स्लिपिंग डाउन. So the laminar slope or debris slope, their slope is depending upon whom? Tell me first. Concave. This is clear. And these four slopes was given by Wood. The first slope development has been given by W.O.D. Wood. He has given this slope. And if I am talking about इनपुट का मतलब डिपोजिशन. इनपुट मीन्स which are the four slopes? Convex, free face, rectilinear or debris, and concave. It has been eroded. Suppose it has been, this section has been eroded, and free face has been also, I said that whether यहाँ पे eroded, that is a soil suction, soil creep, so many things happen, and that has been, तो ये क्या हुआ? So which slope has been retreated? Convex and free face has been retreated. एंड इसका मतलब यहां पर अब ये क्या हो जाना चाहिए? दिस डेब्रिस स्लोप शुड बी रॉन्ग. यस और नॉट? ऐसा होना चाहिए. मोर डिपोजिट्स, लेकिन मोर डिपोजिट नहीं हो रहा है यहां पर. यहां के डिपोजिशन किस पे डिपेंड करता है? मोर डिपोजिशन. इफ कॉन्केव पे, एंड इफ देयर इज अ मोर आउटपुट फ्रॉम द कॉन्केव, so which are the section is parallel retreat? Convex, yes, convex, concave, and convex, free face and debris. These are the parallel. I am teaching you king और साथ में स्लोप भी पढ़ते जा रहे हैं, so that आपको मैं आऊँ तो वहाँ पर all the cycle of erosion I can easily teach, because already you know the river landforms. So you are able to see how it is happening. और ये कहाँ पे हो रहा है? It is happening in the South Africa where the rainfall is less. So what is the meaning of semi-arid? What is the meaning of semi-arid? where the rainfall is 62. I said that 50 to 60 centimeter around, 40 centimeter around, 30 centimeter. But if it is going below 30 centimeter, it becomes arid. So where there is a rainfall is 30, 40, 50, 60, it is known as पानी है, और साथ में high heat that led to, I said, that expansion contraction, physical weathering. Understood it? Understood? Now over the period again I said that it has been and they will also leave behind like this. Parallel retreat. So which are the doing? I said that पहले ही बता चुका हूँ, बहुत सारा लिखा हुआ चुका हूँ. Convex क्या है? At the convex, what is, and I said that a different kind of mass movement, उसको क्या बोल रहे हैं? That is known as a different type of. So mass, जब पहले भी एक दिन definition दिया था, I said that, or landslide, I said that which under the pool of gravity, weathered rocks. Which rocks? Under the pool of gravity, moving downward. Yes or not? The weathered rocks moving downward under the pool of gravity through the medium of air, ice and water and ice. It is known as what? तो ये सारे क्या कर रहे थे? Mass movement. So convex पे क्या हो रहा है? Mass movement. This is in a kind of what? Mass movement or mass wasting. And यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? Weathering. Yes or not? And little bit of erosion and mass movement, and all these are itself in a kind of what? If it is moving away, it is in a movement. Moving things are known as what? Erosion itself. By the water and all, glaciers and all. Very slowly and slowly what we are finding. Again it has been repeated. This is the first I said. This is the second I said. Second. Third. कौन सरफेस ज्यादा बड़ा हो रहा है? Which surface is becoming large? And what is this? Peδιplane or pediplanation. इसका मतलब we are also learning the erosional surface formation. You are also learning the which surface formation? You know that peniplanation. Yes. End-rumph. Pediplanation. So King has given which erosional surface? Pediplanation. So it is happening. ये जो आपको ये आपका surface हट चुका है. Which surface is growing? Pediplanation. Featureless plane. Understood it? This is clear. Have you seen that why there is an happening? Because maximum output is taking place at concave by sheet wash, done by the fluvial. Maximum output done by the, I said that King, according to King, what I said that, what is it that? Maximum output done by the fluvial process at the concave. Yes. Maximum output done by the, what I said that? Maximum output done by the fluvial process at the concave in the form of sheet wash. तो उसके वजह से which slope is retreating? उसके वजह से again I said that maximum output done by the fluvial process at the concave region by the sheet wash. Therefore, यदि ये नहीं होता तो I said that यहाँ पे ये नहीं होता तो you can be able to say like this, rectilinear or debris slope will be the longest. Yes or not? So which slope is retreating due to maximum outwash? Debris slope is parallel retreat. Debris slope is an already convex slope and concave slope. Convex slope by mass wasting and then free face by the weathering. Keep on what is in a parallel retreat, but debris slope is doing parallel retreat by whom? Maximum output done by the fluvial process at the concave by sheet wash. Therefore ये रीजन जो है पैरेलल रिट्रीट करते जा रहा है, नहीं तो ये ऐसा होता, यहाँ पे इतना मटेरियल यहाँ से जो टूटा हुआ सब यहाँ डिपॉजिट होता. All the material must have deposited on what? Debris slope. So the slope of debris or rectilinear has been determined by maximum output done by fluvial process at the concave by the sheet wash. Shall I remove these pictures? So such parallel retreat of convex free face has given us Paidy plane or Paidy planation. Paidy plane, and that is complete known as what? Paidy planation. Understood? Paidy plane or Paidy, और यही है cycle of erosion that the Mr. King has talked about. फिर there will be a land will come and they will keep on what? Getting my point? Understood? So what is happening at the convex? What is happening at the convex? Mass wasting. And what is happening at the free face? Weathering. And what is happening at the debris? Deposition. Talus deposits. But that has been keep on, what is the output is keep on happening due to the maximum output at concave. Due to maximum output at